subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After several leaks and rumors, OnePlus has finally launched its new flagship smartphone in China called OnePlus 10 Pro with a unique rear camera module. Talking about the specifications, the OnePlus 10 Pro features a 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus Curve AMOLED display with up to 120Hz adaptive refresh rate support. The screen can deliver up to 1300 nits of peak brightness, and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass vectors on the top. The phone comes powered by latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 730 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of camera, the OnePlus 10 Pro supports an Hasselblad featured triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 48MP main camera with Sony IMX789 sensor, plus 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 150° field of view and a 8MP telephoto lens with 3.3x optical zoom support. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 8K videos at 24 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has 32MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with Sony IMX615 sensor. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 12 based on Oxygen OS 12.1 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 80 watts wired, 50 watt wireless, and it also supports reverse wireless charging as well. For gaming, the company has added Hyper Boost Mode feature for better performance, and it has improved heat dissipation system to avoid overheating in extreme conditions. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes Dolby Atmos surrounding sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163 by 73.9 by 8.55mm, and it weighs around 200.5 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The OnePlus 10 Pro has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 4,699 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 4,999 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 5,299 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is set to go on sale starting from January 13th in Emerald Forest and Volcanic Black color options. So what do you guys think of this OnePlus 10 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.